We had very successful and collaborative tripartite deliberations regarding the Mwalimu cover under the Public Officers Medical Scheme Fund, and together we have resolved all the outstanding issues. We have established a very clear matrix of responsibility and accountability to our officers, both at the Union, Teacher Service Commission, SHA, DHA, and even the ministry, to make sure that our health financing model effectively and transparently serves the most important segment of our society, the teaching fraternity and their dependents. SHA has operationalized a dedicated 24/7 toll-free line 0800 720 601 and a short code of 147 to serve as an accessible, rapid response channel exclusively for teachers facing emergencies or administrative bottlenecks at the point of care. On continuous members' education, we have agreed that SHA, TSC, and KUPPET will immediately facilitate a continuous nationwide member education campaign to empower teachers with accurate knowledge regarding their benefits, entitlements, patient portal navigation, and their rights and responsibility. We have also agreed together we are going to fight fraud. Teachers will be our eyes. Facilities that are known, that have been flagged for fraudulent activities, there are some which are already under the radar. They are being investigated. The system is looking at them. Once we complete, we will agree with the teachers and tell them they should not go to that facility. So every facility that we will suspend because of fraud, the union will be immediately informed and the teachers will be told to access the same service in the nearby facility.